Hello everyone. So this video is especially for beginners and for children with special needs, for those who are finding it difficult to draw as well as to write. So here there are some of exercises. So this is the part 1 video, and the coming days I'll be doing a lot of videos of the same which has the advanced exercise as well. Let's begin. Coming back to the video, here we are doing some exercise using scale. So as you can see, the students were unable to hold the scale properly, which they lacked. So we had to find different ways on how they could easily draw the vertical lines, straight lines, horizontal lines, and more of this line series. So initially it is going to be more of the horizontal, vertical lines, using different colors, using brush pens, using pencils. So here it is going to be a very slow process, but we will help them in each step on how to do these exercises. So here more of the practice is required. Whenever they find it boring, they can ask them to switch to different colors, and in the coming videos we will also show advanced exercises with which they will be able to have a better grips. So here, using these brush pens, we have asked them to trace lines. So initially they had to draw the lines and then they had to trace it using just brush pens. So first they have used the scale, and next step they're not using scale, they're just using the brush pen to trace it. So here the student has done it really nice. The next shapes would be the ones which have curves. So for example, we started with the U shape. You can next start with the upside down shape, U shape as well, circle, which they will find it difficult, but you can try with the circles as well. So after the exercise for half an hour to 45 minutes, we started the drawing, which includes these exercises. Like for example, here if you notice, there's a sleeping line, there's a vertical line over here, and also a few birds, since it's a nature topic which involves ovals and circles. And here a few students, we asked them to use oil pastels. For a few students we asked to use the brush pen, same brush pen, and for a few students we asked to use the color pencils. Yes, so the younger ones, they use the crayons and oil pastels. Also, it is very important for the students to understand that we have to start from the lightest color, and the black is always going to be last. So this students have to understand, or else if they use the black in the beginning itself, they are going to spoil the entire drawing. So it's very important to make them understand that the black is always going to be last. So every step we are going to cheer them and tell them they are going to do really good, they're doing really good. Notice how neatly they have started coloring this part by part. Also, so there's one more thing that I want to mention, is that a few students have their own techniques of coloring, which will go outside the boundary, their own methods of drawing, which will make the drawing really interesting. So we have to motivate them as well, saying their methods are also correct. So here, notice how creative these drawings are. I hope this video is helpful. In the coming videos, we will also tell you all on how advanced exercise are going to be. Let's subscribe. Thank you.